How to create a landing page using Convertkit. Hey guys, welcome back, and today we'll be creating a landing page using Convertkit. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and type convertkit.com, and Convertkit is a paid software and it provides us free trial for 14 days. So I'm gonna use the free trial. And then we have to sign up for using Convertkit and to set up your account by answering some questions. It is a basic process, so we are not covering that for now. And after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and we have bunch of tools over here like we have subscribers, landing pages and forms. We can also create a creator profile, and then we can also send broadcasts, email templates, sequences and snippets. And then we have different kind of automations like visual automations, integrations and RSS. And then we can also earn with Convertkit by selling our products and by collecting payouts. And then we have learned, like this is the documentation for using Convertkit. This is a community like a creator community and many more. And here we have our account settings over here. Now for creating a landing page, go to grow and click on landing page and then create landing page. Convertkit provides us a bunch of pre-made templates for our landing page, and they are also filtered in different categories like events, links, newsletters. So I'm creating a landing page for a newsletter, so I'm going to choose this one. You can take a tour around and choose the one according to your industry and the one you like. So we have two options here like preview and choose. So I don't need to preview this, I am just going to choose this one. And here we are inside our editor. From here we will be editing all of the things like this picture and all of the text. You just have to click on it and this window will appear over here. You can replace it, or if you don't want to insert any picture of your own, then you can just simply delete it from here. And once you have uploaded image, then you can also edit it from here like you can crop it, filter it, change colors, and you can also rotate it and resize it from here. Once you are done doing it, then click on done. And then you have to change this text, so just select it from here and delete and replace this text with your own. And you can also delete this one with the name of your newsletter. And these are the general settings over here like the fonts of this newsletter and the background image and transparency of the background image. And if you know any additional CSS, then you can write it here. And after that we have this button settings where we can change color, and we also set a border radius of this button. We can also change what is written on this button, like instead of subscribe you can write something else like let's roll or anything like that. Once we are done designing our landing page, we can also preview it from here. And this is the preview of how it will look like on our desktop, and then exit preview. And one more thing to note, that we can also add a page even if this template is only a one page template, but we can also add a page and make some changes like background and things like that from here. And after that, save. And once we click on publish, we have these options like share on Facebook, share on Twitter, and this is the link to our landing page. We can copy it and embed it on our different social media. And if you are creating a landing page for your website, then you can also embed this link to your website. And Convertkit also provides a direct option of embedding this landing page to a WordPress website. So if you are creating a website with WordPress, then you can directly embed this page in your website. So it's very easy to create a landing page using Convertkit. You just have to make couple of changes and then you have your fully customized landing page. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any questions regarding this video then please comment below, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.